SIEM is a valuable tool for gathering and verifying compliance data across the entire business infrastructure, designed to bypass security measures and add, modify, or delete records in an SQL database. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. and today I'm going to talk about security information and event management. Okay, I'm going to talk about how does it work? Why is it important? I'm going to give you an overall view of this concept. So let's get to this cyber education. This story is courtesy of IBM. Why is SIEM important? Combining security and information management, SIM, and security event management, SEM, security information and event management, SIEM, offers real-time monitoring and analysis of events as well as tracking and logging of security data for compliance or auditing purposes. Put simply, SIEM is a security solution that helps organizations recognize potential security threats and vulnerabilities before they have a chance to disrupt business operations. It surfaces user behavior anomalies and uses artificial intelligence to automate many of the manual processes associated with threat detection and incident response, and has become a staple in modern-day security operations centers, SOCs, for security and compliance management use cases. Over the years, SIEM has matured to become more than the log management tools that preceded it. Today, SIEM offers advanced user and entity behavior analytics, UEBA, thanks to the power of AI and machine learning. It is a highly efficient data orchestration system for managing ever-evolving threats as well as regulatory compliance and reporting. How does SIEM work? At the most basic level, all SIEM solutions perform some level of data aggregation, consolidation, and sorting functions in order to identify threats and adhere to compliance requirements. While some solutions vary in capability, most offer some core set of functionality. Number one, we have log management. SIEM captures event data from a wide range of sources across an organization's entire network. Logs and flow data from users, applications, assets, cloud environments, and networks is collected, stored, and analyzed in real time, giving IT and security teams the ability to automatically manage their network's event log and network flow data in one centralized location. Some SIEM solutions also integrate with third-party threat intelligence feeds in order to correlate their internal security data against previously recognized threat signatures and profiles. Integration with real-time threat feeds enable teams to block or detect new types of attack signatures. We have event correlation and analytics. Event correlation is an essential part of any SIEM solution, utilizing advanced analytics to identify and understand intricate data patterns. Event correlation provides insights to quickly locate and mitigate potential threats to business security. SIEM solutions significantly improve mean time to detect, MTTD, and mean time to respond, MTTR, for IT security teams by offloading the manual workflows associated with the in-depth analysis of security events. Incident monitoring and security alerts, that's another one. Because they enable centralized management of on-premise and cloud-based infrastructure, SIEM solutions are able to identify all entities of the IT environment. This allows SIEM technology to monitor for security incidents across all connected users, devices, and applications while classifying abnormal behavior as it is detected in the network. Using customizable predefined correlation rules, administrators can be alerted immediately and take appropriate actions to mitigate it before it materializes into more significant security issues. Compliance management and reporting. This is another one. SIEM solutions are a popular choice for organizations subject to different forms of regulatory compliance. Due to the automated data collection and analysis that it provides, SIEM is a valuable tool for gathering and verifying compliance data across the entire business infrastructure. SIEM solutions can generate real-time compliance reports for PCI DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, SOX, and other compliance standards, reducing the burden of security management and detecting potential violations early so they can be addressed. Many of the SIM solutions come with pre-built out-of-the-box add-ons that can generate automated reports designed to meet compliance requirements. Here are the benefits of a SIM. Regardless of how large or small your organization may be, taking proactive steps to monitor for and mitigate IT security risks is essential. SIM solutions benefit enterprises in a variety of ways and have become a significant component in streamlining security workflows. Some of the benefits include advanced real-time threat recognition, SIM actively monitoring solutions across your entire infrastructure, significantly reduces the lead time required to identify and react to potential network threats and vulnerabilities, helping to strengthen security posture as the organization scales. Next, we have regulatory compliance auditing. SIM solutions enable centralized compliance, auditing, and reporting across an entire business infrastructure. Advanced automation streamlines the collection and analysis of system logs and security events to reduce internal resource utilization while meeting strict compliance reporting standards. Next, we have AI-driven automation. Today's next-gen SIM solutions integrate with powerful security orchestration, automation and response, SOAR, capabilities, saving time and resources for IT teams as they manage business security, using deep machine learning that automatically adapts to network behavior. These solutions can handle complex threat identification and incident response protocols in significantly less time than physical teams. Improved organizational efficiency. Here's another one. Because of the improved visibility of IT environments that it provides, SIMs can be an essential driver of improving interdepartmental efficiencies. With a single unified view of system data and integrated SOAR, teams can communicate and collaborate efficiently when responding to perceived events and security incidents. Right? So what do you think are the benefits of a SIM? Please let me know your thoughts. We have detecting advanced and unknown threats. Considering how quickly the cybersecurity landscape changes, organizations need to be able to rely on solutions that can detect and respond to both known and unknown security threats, using integrated threat intelligence feeds and AI technology. SIM solutions can successfully mitigate against modern-day security breaches such as insider threats, that's a biggie, which is security vulnerabilities or attacks that originate from individuals with authorized access to company networks and digital assets. These attacks could be the result of compromised credentials. 2. Phishing attacks. Social engineering attacks masquerading as trusted entities, often used to steal user data, login credentials, financial information, or other sensitive business information. SQL injections, which is malicious code executed via a compromised web page or application designed to bypass security measures and add, modify, or delete records in an SQL database. DDoS attacks, which is a distributed denial of service attack designed to bombard networks and systems with unmanageable levels of traffic, degrading performance of websites and servers until they are unusable. Next, we have data exfiltration, which is data theft or extrusion, is commonly achieved by taking advantage of common or easy to crack passwords on network assets or through the use of an advanced persistent threat, also known as APT. Conduct forensic investigations. This is the last one. SIM solutions are ideal for conducting digital forensic investigations once a security incident occurs. SIM solutions allow organizations to efficiently collect and analyze log data from all of their digital assets in one place. This gives them the ability to recreate past incidents or analyze new ones to investigate suspicious activity and implement more effective security processes. So that was your overview of SIM, the benefits, the areas that it helps organizations in. Did I leave anything out? Are you confused of anything that I said? Please let me know in the comment section below. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Hit the notification bell. Please hit the subscribe button. You a hack pack. See you in the next video. Cyber education.